Hello guys, welcome to Design with SOLIDWORKS. Today in this segment, we're going to learn how to design a spur gear. If you don't know what is a spur gear is, then first go and look up in a design book and what are its defining parameters. Okay, let's begin. First, we'll draw some circles. Now let's add dimension to them. Okay, now it's important that you should remember these dimension figures, or you can also calculate, and how that is done I'll be telling you next. Okay, let's draw some center lines. Now let's add the angles between them. 10 degree, 5 degree, and this too. Sorry, not this two, this one and this one, 2.5 degree. Okay, so why we have done like this? Angles are 10 degree, 5 degree and 2.5 degree. These angles are actually calculated from these circular diameters. Okay, now we are going to draw some arcs here to make the teeth of the gear. That's why I have said to remember these dimensions particularly. Okay, now let's create a 3-point arc. 3-point arc, and this is okay. Let's first draw this line. Okay, again from here. Okay, this is for construction, this one is also for construction. Okay, now select 3-point arc, this point to this point, made like this. Then click OK. Make these two tangent like this. Okay, now select center point arc, and about this center point draw an arc from this line to this line here. Okay, it's done. Then another 3-point arc from here to here. Add the radius be 50. Okay, radius 15 means this is along this construction circle. Okay, now go to mirror entities. Now let's mirror this and sketched entities about this straight line, about this center line. Okay, like this. Okay, now exit the sketch, go to extrude boss feature and extrude this about 5 mm. Okay, now we have one teeth of a gear right here. Now let's add some fillet here to make this look more realistic and make the fillet diameter about 1 millimeter. Okay, just like this. You can also add material to this. Okay, metal, that should be steel, polished. Or maybe like this. Okay, now let's revolve this teeth, that is the circular pattern, about this line. Okay, entities to pattern, select the boss extrude and select the fillet. Okay, like this. Right click. Okay, so you have a gear just like this. You can also like this create a center hole for the shaft to enter. Let's make it around 15 mm. Okay, go to extruded cut through all. Okay, or you can also create another extrude to add a screw to fit the gear to hold on to the motor axle. Let's do that also. Like this. Make this 20. Now let's go to extruded boss. Okay, now let's select the contour like this one, not the complete, just this part. Okay, no, not like this. Create another circle. Okay, now go to boss extrude, make the extrude 15 millimeter. Does it be good? Okay, 15 millimeter. Now we need to create a thread here for fitting the screw. Now let's create a reference geometry just like we did to fit the hole in the robotic wheel in the previous video. The first reference will be this one, the front plane. Okay, in the opposite direction like this. here, increase the distance. Okay, now make this normal, sketch, make a hole right here, make this 3 mm in dia, go to extruded cut. Okay, we need to do this in opposite direction like this. Okay, done. Okay, now we have the hole right here. Now let's add cosmetic threads. Go to annotations, cosmetic thread, cosmetic thread window is here. Now this is, select the circular edge, this one, and the diameter is, we have selected this as 3 mm, so select 4 mm, not much. Okay, okay, so cosmetic thread is created. Now let's go to the display, detailing, here, shaded cosmetic threads, select this option and click OK. Now I can see the cosmetic threads right here for the screw. So we have the gear, and we learned how to design a gear, and in this method you can design any type of spur gear in any parameter, any radius and any number of tooths as per your requirement. So that's it for today, guys. In the next video we'll learn an easy trick how to make the design of a spur gear using the SOLIDWORKS toolbox. So see you in the next video. Thank you.